This is educational, not trading or investment advice, okay? This is entertainment, mainly educational. Future stocks, bond trading of any kind involves substantial risk. You may lose everything you have. Before trading or investments, do your own due diligence. This is not a recommendation to go out and trade with your money, okay? If you do so, you're on your own. If you're watching or listening to this video, you are agreeing to these terms. Okay, let's get to it. Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel, day trading for an ROI payout. Just my trade journal market analysis. We are at Friday, TGIF 112.24, and we do have a catalyst, another inflation report that's wholesale PPI 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard daily affirmation. I see it and understand. Rigid discipline and rules, flexible and outcome expectations, independent thinker, impeccable risk manager, precision-based trader, responsible business manager. On the left, Nasdaq middle, S&P 500 E-mini, and King Dollar on the right. You can see we're just in a range the last 3 days. We've got a candle wick on the prior day on all three charts. And so I'm just going to be playing it since it's end of the week with lighter volume and going to be doing intraday liquidity levels above and below. ES Mini, here we are with a 15-minute benchmark, and you can see here we've had the high of this year. That was prior day, and we had that in Globex, and that's, call it 48.38 and some change, and that's lower than the high of 2023, which was 48.4150. So that was 12.28 Globex high. So that was the long-term high for the week in the year 2024. And then you can see once we had the inflation report prior day at 8:30, we really take a downside here. So this is the prior day low coming in at 47.73. So that's a level, and it was below the January 2nd RTH open. Prior day RTH open 48.27. Okay, so that's also a level. And the prior day PM high, 48.20, that's been purged. We did that right after London. And then the low has been purged also. And the low for January 11th prior day, you can see right here, this black line, 47.97. So price just got done spiking down here to 47.9150. And we're back up here in this London open zone, which is 48.02. New York midnight, 48.0775. So I'm going to watch this catalyst play out. And again, what's really in play on the upper levels is still this January 2nd new week open gap. So that's an attraction level that's still playing out both in Globex today, Friday, and prior day. We did that also, and we went above it. So I'm just going to watch and understand. I'd like to be done before noon Friday with the least amount of carryover. I do have a short bias just because I think this year is setting up to be completely different, and we will get some volatility, but I want a good setup if I'm going to take a short, and usually I'm not going to carry too much short into another day. So let's just wrap it here. These are the levels, and I'm going to just play with these levels. So you've got the highs, you've got the lows, and again, right now we're just treading water until we've got that big PPI announcement on producer price index inflation. Thanks so much for watching. Shout out to the original OG subscribers, and want to welcome all 2024 subscribers. Thank you. Aloha. Bye.